ハイパースピードメディア。
My name is Mark Robinson. This is my 1996 Honda Today. It was it was for Japanese single women, but I tend to, it's really grown on me, this little thing. It's a 3-cylinder, 54 horsepower, 1,500 pounds. It's way more fun than it sounds. I've had many cars, but this car is, it's so unique and fun to drive. There's nothing else like it.
Is this so it's a K car, right?
Yes.
It's a 3-cylinder?
It's a three-cylinder, no turbo, no supercharger.
Gotcha.
Just naturally aspirated, three-cylinder, 659 cc's.
Do you know the horsepower rating for that?
It's around 54.
50?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, well, of course I was new. This is 96, so it tends to feel fun. It doesn't feel like it's down on power or anything like that.
And did you import this here?
I bought it from the guy that did. I was the first
Okay.
person to register it here in the States.
Gotcha.
Harrisburg didn't like me very much.
Yeah.
But I got it through. It's actually registered, inspected. I got a title for it, the whole deal.
Wow. Because I always see, like I was saying earlier, like I always see Honda Beats and Cappuccino and stuff like that. I never seen a Honda Today. It's like really rare to me, at least.
When I saw it, I'm like, what is it today? And I had to go see it. This is the only one that I've ever seen, and I just had to have it.
And you said it's marketed toward a Japanese woman?
Right, single Japanese women.
Oh, wow.
Which is,
so you got the,
which when I read that, I'm like, I'm neither of those.
You got the whole aroma in there.
Yeah, right. Or like I'm married with 2 kids, and but.
So why did they market that to single Japanese women?
I think for size and simplicity, the car doesn't have a whole lot of like creature comforts or anything. It does ice cold AC. It has power front windows and crank rear windows, which is odd. But
and I'm assuming it's front wheel drive.
Yes,
Okay.
it's front wheel drive. Like I said, it's way more fun than the numbers say.
Right.
So.
And yeah, like can you pop the hood?
Yeah,
check
sure.
out the hood.
Sure. Like I said, it's way more fun than you would think it would be. It's either 53, 54 horsepower, something like that, but it does highway speeds just fine. It won't get you to 90, but it'll do 60 all day.
Oh, okay.
Like when I'm driving on the highway, the best part's taking the exit ramp at full throttle.
So you got coilovers on, I noticed.
Yes. Yeah, they're fully adjustable. They're 25-way. Final Connection is the brand.
Final Connection?
Yeah.
Is that a Japanese brand, I guess?
Yes, I had them shipped over.
Oh, wow.
And I put them in myself. I took it to an alignment shop, and they said it was surprisingly really close. It just had to do the toe. The camber was good. But yeah, you just twist this little knob and make them harder or softer.
Right, the dampening.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And of course you can set the right height. I could dump this thing in the weeds if I wanted to, but I live in Pennsylvania, so Yeah, I put a different muffler and axle back on.
Oh, you did?
I just pieced together stuff off of Amazon, and I got the tip from eBay, and I put it together, and surprisingly it works great. It sounds great, doesn't drone, but it gives it a little bit of a burble.
Wow. So what make you buy this car?
I never saw one. I'm kind of like a quirky car guy anyway.
Okay.
So when I saw this, I just didn't. I really was like, I've never seen anything like this, and it doesn't drive like anything else. The interior has, like only certain passengers get door pockets, which is just weird. But I don't have a tachometer.
Oh no?
No. I think they called it an M-Trek. It was individual throttle body car, still fuel injected. But that model came with a tachometer and I think a little bit more horsepower. I think like 4 more horsepower.
Right. So that's more like the upgraded.
Right. Like a Mugen or something like that.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. But I had to have it. It's been more fun than all my other cars, which is kind of crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
Because I've had muscle cars GTOs, Monte Carlos,
Yeah.
Camaros. You know,
You got
I was
you
on
got
like
the Japanese girl car and you enjoyed it more.
right. A car that was marketed for single Japanese women here on the
That's
fat
crazy.
American loving it. The seats fold down. I've actually bought a toilet from Home Depot and fit in this car, which is incredible.
Do you know how much it weight?
I think it's like 1560 is the
Oh,
actual.
wow, it's lighter than Miata.
You know, which is, oh yeah, it's super light. The wipers and the turn signals are opposite, so it's something that you gotta learn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes when I'm taking a left-hand
Right.
turn, I'll put my wipers on.
Right, because it's a JDM car.
Yeah.
I get used to that.
It's opposite, and it's really funny. If I drive this enough, I mess up in my daily drive
Your
or my
daily
Jetta.
car. All right.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That was fun.
ハイパースピードメディア